The last video we have discussed what is the new feature in Umbraco 13. Now we are going to discuss how we are what is the prerequisite for Umbraco 13 and how we can install Umbraco 13 by the help of Visual Studio. So for the install before the installation of Umbraco 13, we need .NET SDK version 8.0, which you can directly install from the Microsoft website. You can check, and you need to install Umbraco template in your system. For that one, we what we need to do, we will check. We can install the Umbraco template by using this command, as it is already installed in my system. So it will show that it is already installed. You can see here that it is showing that 13.0.1 is already installed. And after, but once you are running in your system, it will show that they are installing the latest version, and it will be shows over here what is the Umbraco packages we have. Okay, the next step is you need to check what is the .NET version we have here. For that one, we can check .NET install version in our system by this command .NET list dash sdks. So you can see in my system, I have already installed version 5, 6, 7, and 8. So before installing Umbraco 13, we need to check that at least .NET 8.0 has been installed in your system. Once we have checked both of things, what we need to do? So this is the URL from the Microsoft website. You can download .NET 8.0 version from here. It is LTS support. After confirming .NET version as well as Umbraco template, we can install it by the two ways, by the command and by the Visual Studio. Here I'm going to demonstrate how we can install Umbraco 13 by the help of Visual Studio. So you need to have Visual Studio 2022. I'm running this one. Click on the create a new project. Once you have installed Umbraco verse templates in your system, so here you can see it is already pop up means and included in the drop down. Select the Umbraco, choose the Umbraco project, then click next, give a project name, then next. Here you can see the framework has already, it's showing 8.0, Umbraco version 13.0.1. If you want, you can change your settings and the other things that you can set over here. Otherwise, you should to go with the create. Once you click on the create button, it will be installed and creating a project with the Umbraco template. Let's wait. Once Umbraco project has been installed, you can see and check. There's a view, some pages blocked. Grid has been shown. Currently, it is a fresh Umbraco project. So in the previous Umbraco versions, there is a two file. One is a program, one another is a startup files. But in Umbraco 13, you can see they have followed Microsoft new features that they have merged both of things in a one files. So now it has one program.cs only, where they have mentioned both of the things. So we need to run this one. It is running now. It is downloading the packages and the building the complete project. In the starting of Umbraco 13, it will ask your to create user ID and password, and here you can choose either the SQLite or the SQL Server by the configuration. Okay, by default it is providing SQLite, but you can also configure uh, it with the SQL Server by the providing of connection string. I will demonstrate. It will take some time. So here, Umbraco is asking for my name, email ID, and password to set up the complete configuration. Here I have, by default, it is providing SQLite. You can change the database by over here, changing the SQLite. You can use the SQL Server. By the SQL Server, you can connect with over here, or you can also provide the connection string by the choosing the option custom. Okay. Currently, I'm using the SQLite. I'm trying to install with the SQLite, so I'm just installing with that one. Here you can see they have provided the new Backoffice login. Oops. I have login. So here you can see they have provided the webhooks, templates, media, content, in data type, list text box. For the further things, how we can create the templates and other things, we will discuss in the next video.